Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Netflix error code h7353 on your Windows computer. So when you're using Netflix on Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge, you might be coming across this problem. So we're going to go about how to hopefully resolve this without too much of a hassle. First thing I'd recommend doing would be actually trying to open up a third-party browser like Chrome or Mozilla Firefox and then see if that resolves the problem. So try and navigate to Netflix through a different website. You can also try, if you wanted to close up there, let's say we wanted to resolve the issue in Microsoft Edge. We want to go ahead and just clear out any cookies and cached files. So we're going to just do this for Microsoft Edge here. Just going to wait for it to open up. So the first thing you want to do is select the menu icon near the top right corner of the browser window here, and then select History, and then versus Clear Browsing History, go ahead and just left click on that, and just give it a moment to load here. And you want to make sure all these are check marked, and then click inside the drop down and select All Time. And then once you have that, you're going to go ahead and select Clear Now. You will need to relaunch your browser once that's done, and that should pretty much be about it. Another thing, you can also try, if you have any browser extensions, try and temporarily turn them off one at a time, see if that could be creating the issue, and then also check for Windows updates. If there's any new pending updates, go ahead and install them, and then restart your device, and then hopefully the issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.